This is investigation 1.1 of the Lenses and Images Lab. We are going to determine the focal length of a convex lens, convex, not concave. What I have is the light source. It is at 100 centimeters. This lens is at 70 centimeters. The instructions say, by moving the screen, determine where the image forms. Record the image distance and object distance in the table below. Calculate the focal length of the lens and record it in the table as well. Repeat for 4 other distances of your choosing. So I'm going to dim the lights so that you can see this. I will read off to you the location of the screen. I'm going to zoom in so that you can hopefully see the image. And actually, I think I'll turn the lights back up. That's washing out the camera. That's a little better. The lens, remember, is at 70. The screen is at 55.8 centimeters. So that difference of 70 and 55.8 will be your image distance. I'm going to move the lens. I'll put it at 80. The image forms at 60. So for trial 2, the image is at 60. The lens is at 80. So you need to do the arithmetic to calculate those distances. I am leaving the light source at 100. Move these again. The lens is at 50. The image is at 37.8. Lens at 50, image at 37.8. I'll zoom in so you can see it. This one's going to be a little bit blurry. Okay, that was trial 3. Trial 4. Put the lens at 65. This image forms on the screen when the screen is at 51.5. So the lens is at 65 centimeters. The screen with a sharp image, or as sharp as I can get it, is at 51.5. That was trial 4. Trial 5, I have the lens at 88. The screen is at 39. The lens is at 88. The screen is at 39. I'm going to pull back out on the view. That was the first lens. I'm going to take a second lens with a different focal length. I'm going to use it. Again, I'm going to start with a distance of 30 centimeters for my object distance. That is putting the lens at 70, the light source, the object, is at 100. The screen is at 15. So for trial 1, object distance is 30 centimeters. Our screen is at 15 centimeters and our lens is at 70. So take the difference between those two locations to get your image distance. I'm going to move the lens to 50. The image forms at 17.6. Lens at 50, image at 17.6. Lens at 60. Image at 22. Lens at 60, image at 22. Trial 4. I believe. Lens is at 75. Image is off the track, so we won't use that one. Let's try a different one. I'll put the lens at 40. Lens is at 40, image is at 10.9. Lens at 40, image at 10.9. Lens at 30. Image at 2. Lens at 30, image at 2. So that is the data for investigation 1.1. We will not look at virtual images or the diverging lens. That will be too difficult to do with a video. Those are some things that you kind of need to be in the lab to do. So that is where we're going to stop with this particular lab.